That's why you wear your seatbelt, kids. Cause what the fuck? So this is a whole new camera. And the thing is that we can import video too. So right now, we on the way to Florida. You feel me? Early 10:42. No,
9:49.
9:49. So this is the correct time. My bad, I'm tripping. So it's 9:49. We finna get there. Once we get there, we probably gonna get a hotel, book a hotel or whatever, and then yeah, we just gonna chill. It ain't nothing specific that I'm looking for out of this trip. You feel me? Just some vlog content that y'all can, you know, talk to y'all boy. You feel me? See that sexy boy face? You know that part where it be like, go out the screen. They be like,
shit, no.
You know the part. You know how the digital recordings, nigga. The digital recordings. How the shit end, and then, bro, I do it right now. Landing.
Hey, that's why
We good.
That's why we got. Hey,
But we just went in there and got some snacks. Y'all feel me? Just got some snacks. We done made it to Florida. I ain't got that bit. On the website, I lost that bit. Right now?
Yeah, that was in Fairfield. You know.
No, we not in Fairfield.
I know that's the whole point. You get what I'm saying?
Man, watch out, man. I'm gonna put that one video where it be like, when you said, yeah, can't never let your legs move. And then 5 minutes later, yeah.
Like you supposed to be drinking that, but you pointed out.
Yeah, cause that shit was ass. Shit ass. Let's go hit this bank and let me put in like a band or something. Cause we gotta see where we gonna go.
Just smell fruity.
It smell fruity. Nigga.
You talking about what you drinking?
Nigga, you fruity, nigga. The fuck? What? I should have been knew what?
I was gay.
I want me. Oh,
We ain't gonna go fed with it though.
what the fuck? Bruh, I gotta zoom in on this nigga. You said you was what?
Gay. I mean, I say more like bi. Cause I like both. I like coochie and I like a little wood. You know what I'm saying?
Whoa, brother. Whoa. Now, you got too much dip on your chip.
That's it.
I don't know what the fuck that nigga talking about, y'all. We finna go to this telly. He finna get his own room. I'm finna get my own room. Cause that's wild. That's wild.
We get in the same bed.
Pause. No, the fuck we not. No, the fuck we is not, nigga. Nigga, it's either it look harder or it don't. It's too far around this one. It's gonna breeze, fuck it.
Let me know when you're ready. 6 hour drive. We don't get at about 6:30. But we definitely.
Alright.
Oh yeah, this shit right here.
You need to leave to when?
It's time for the due date. So we gonna be sleep, I'm telling you.
Shit, so just take that shit in.
Take that shit in.
Bro, but look. This is what I'm trying to tell this dude. Look, peak game. Look at the potential, bro. Look. We go to the beach, get some nighttime shots on the camera, right? We can get some nighttime shots because I want to film some shit. I gotta get a light for my camera so we can shoot like content at night. That's one thing that I do gotta do that I'm aware of, that I'm gonna get eventually. Once y'all start watching these motherfucking videos and these YouTube videos, you feel me, really get me lit for real, then that's when I'm gonna start, you feel me? But yeah, we need that light for sure. Oh, you talking about that one sidewalk where them people was? You wanna go back over there though?
Yeah.
I gotta figure out what song I wanna do though. Cause it wouldn't be, you think it should be the She hit me up, she want fuck. Mixed emotions, nigga. Some crazy shit. Like, how I start out, it was like, I found my vibe again. Found my vibe. Found my vibe.
Good, but like, it's females over there too. Like, you can just walk. Like,
you're right. It's rumors, so
we could be like, we could just be like, hey, y'all wanna be in the video? Like, just walk with him and stuff. I did ask tell him though. Like, just walk with him and stuff and do this right here. I get right there a little bit and just like act like you happy or something. Yeah. And just like, you know what I'm saying?
And chillin' in the club with my friends, spend my time I spend thinking about a bitch who fucked me over all in the end. Niggas think I fell off, I say fuck you said in advance. My phone over there? Huh?
I don't know. You just had it?
I just had that shit. What the fuck it went? What the fuck my blunt? What the fuck my wrist? What the fuck? I just had my phone. I just turned on the vlog just to do this, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Check it.
I should make you run an errand.
Alright, y'all know what we're doing. We're about to go in here and get the USB. Damn, you know what I forgot?
What?
My vape. I'm gonna hit this shit real quick. This is exactly what the fuck you need, bro. They done took all the hot. They done took all of them. How many stories is this? 128? Bro, ain't no way. People still in this?
What?
Bro, they won't let you pull it off.
Yeah.
People is still in this?
Yeah.
It's only $19.
Some folks ain't got it like that.
I feel that. I don't know, people really be stealing those? I'm about to steal that now.
What's on?
Nah, we just vlogging.
I know. Huh? YouTube.
Pornhub. Yeah, I just started, honestly. Nah, straight. You sound like you want to do it, man.
I do.
Vlog? Man, you should do it, man.
I don't vlog, but I do
So we secured the bag, we finna get home, edit this footage. Y'all know what the fuck.
Trust me, I'm sorry, I gotta get you.
That's why you wear your seatbelt, kids. Cause what the fuck?
I'm the Joker.
Oh, let me get this right. Retard alert, retard alert.
Even when the sun goes down.
Look at that brother that won't pull his hair out his face.
In mine. Anything was to happen to me, y'all will get this.
Yeah, Derek said he got it. I just called him.
Let me see your face then. Y'all will be able to look back on this 10 years from now, 12 years from now. But just know that mama love y'all. Y'all know how much I love y'all, right?
She drunk and she yapping.
No,
That's it.
I not yapping. I do love my boys. You know what I'm saying? I love them real bad.
Well, we love you too, but
You love me?
yeah, you
Well,
get
give me some sugar.
Lost
Give
me.
me some sugar.
Lost me. She lost you.
Holy-
I can't believe that boy called me ugly. That's crazy.
Nigga, ugly as hell.
That's crazy.
What ugly as hell, man.
That's crazy. Like we not lit, man. Yeah, leave a like if
I bet you gonna blow up then.
that bitch gonna blow up.